Alright guys, welcome to class. So I'm in a little different place, right? We all kind of are right now, but we're still going to do circle time and everything else, okay? So we're going to start off with our normal song, so sing along with me, okay? Alright, here we go. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here.
A little bit louder.
Louder, guys. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Alright, quieter this time. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Guess the whisper. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. Rise and shine and welcome to school today. We're so glad you're here. Alright guys, thanks for singing along with me. Okay, so this week, okay, we're going to be learning all about things you'd see on the farm, okay? So Mr. Matt's got some cool pictures here for you to see, okay? Alright, so some different things you might see on the farm, okay? It might be a cow. What does a cow say? Yeah, a cow says moo, okay? And you might see a horse, okay? What do horses say? Neigh, good job. We have sheep. Baa, exactly. We have goats. I don't know. Goat might say meh, something like that. They eat lots of weird stuff though, guys. Goats, they're cool. Okay, you have pigs. Oink, oink, oink. And chickens. Okay, so that's some different stuff you might see on a farm as far as animals go. You might also see barns, okay, and different plants growing around on a farm like that, okay? So this week, okay, our month is April, okay? So let's pull up our calendar here. Okay, so we have our month is April, okay? So you see April right there, okay? So let's sing our months of the year so you can remember what month in the year it is, okay? So you have January, February, March, April, May, June, July, and August, September, October, November, and December. Those are the months of the year. So if we have April, we have January, February, March, and now April. So we're now in the 4th month of the year, okay? And the numbers we're going to go over is the 13th through the 17th. So you have 13, 14, 15, 16, and 17. Okay, so we'll have all our activities for Monday all the way to Friday. So we'll have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, okay, in April. And if we remember, our year is 2020, okay? All right, the next thing we want to go over is we want to see how smart we are with some numbers, okay? So let's pull up our numbers here, okay? All right, so our numbers this week are 6 through 10, okay? So numbers 6 through 10. So we're going to start off, we're going to count 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, now if we have to count down, we're going to blast off. Now remember, if you blast off, you want to make sure you're sitting back down and don't hurt yourself, okay? So we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay, is everybody sitting back down again? Good, good, good. Okay, so 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 are numbers of the week this week, guys. So lots of numbers of the week. All right, so we're going to talk about our letters now. Okay, so we have our whole alphabet up here. Okay, and the letters we're going to be learning about this week are B, Q, let's see, S, and V. Okay, so what does a B say? Yep, B says buh, buh, buh. B for bounce, buh, buh, buh. What are some other words you might be able to think of that start with the letter B? Maybe baseball or basketball. What else? B, brownies. Brownies are delicious. Okay, but some other words you can think of. Okay, so B. All right, our next letter is Q. What does Q say? Yeah, Q says qua, qua, qua. Q for quiet. Qua, qua, qua. Okay, so Q says qua, but what are some other words that start with the letter Q? Queen. Yeah, quilt. Yeah, those are some good ones, guys. What other ones did you guys come up with? Okay, our other is S. Now, what does S say? S, s, s. S for so. S, s, s. Okay, so we have our S, and S says lots of different things. Like, what are some words you can think of? Sawyer, snake, slippery, sports, slimy. Okay, so lots of different ones start with the letter S. Okay, and our last letter of the week is the letter V. Okay, and V says, yep, V says v, v, v. V for volley. V, v, v. What are some other words that start with the letter V, guys? Let's think. Violin, like an instrument you could play. What other? Violet, like a color. What other ones you could think of? Vulture. Yeah, all those are different letters, okay? So let's kind of practice maybe what it would look like if we were trying to write our letters of the week, okay? So how we would write our letters of the week, okay? So we have our B, okay? So with our B, you'd start at the top. You'd go down, you lift up your pencil and go bump and bump. That's our uppercase B. For our lowercase b, you're going to start at the top, go down, okay, and then do a little bump right there that's not quite as big, okay, on that middle dotted line. All right, next is our letter Q. Okay, we'll start and we'll do a big circle, lift up our pencil, and then do a line that goes right through our Q. Okay. Next is the lowercase q. We do our circle, and then we go down, and sometimes you have a little tail on it that goes kicks like that, okay? So that's our Q's. That's how you write Q's. For the letter S, you remember it slithers like a snake. Super easy, and it's the same thing for uppercase and lowercase, okay? Just one simple thing. For the letter V, we start at the top, we go down kind of a little bit at an angle, and then we pick up our pencil again, we do the same thing coming back towards that other line. Okay, and the uppercase V and the lowercase v are the same that way. So we can write our V's like that. Okay? Alright, the next thing we're going to go over is our color. Our color of the week is, yeah, you got it, red. Who knows what red is in Spanish, though? Rojo, that's right. Red is rojo in Spanish. Okay, so is red a primary or secondary color, guys? That's right, it's a primary because our primary colors are 1, 2, 3, red, yellow, and blue. So what are some things you can think of that are red? Mr. Matt found a couple things to put on his picture, like a fire truck is sometimes red, or maybe you find a red crayon, hearts, or apples. What are some other stuff you guys might be able to find around your house that are red? Okay, you can try to see if you can find different stuff around your house that is red. Okay, and then our last thing we're going to go over is our shape of the week. Now our shape of the week is a pentagon. Okay, So a pentagon has how many sides, guys? 5, that's right. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now it's kind of shaped like a house, right? So a house has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, kind of like that. Or when you go to cross the street at school, there's a sign out there that has 5 sides like a pentagon too. Okay, so those are our shapes of the week. So later we're going to be going over all our different activities and different fun stuff we have planned for this week. So watch those videos and have fun doing the activities, okay, you guys? Okay, we'll see you later.